Hi, my name is Tito, Cephasa Certified Master Technician, and today we will be testing continuity with a multimeter. When testing continuity, the first thing we're going to want to do is turn on our multimeter to the continuity setting. In most cases, it'll be resistance, and you can always check that by touching your two leads, and it should beep. So when checking continuity, what we're doing is we're checking that voltage can go from one point to another with no interruptions or no breakage. And in this case, we have a solid wire and there's no breaks in the wire, so the voltage can continue to go from one point to the other. And that's why we hear our beep. For the purpose of the video, we've used an infinite switch that's used on this toaster, and we can check to see if we have continuity from our incoming power side to our heater side. Right now the infinite switch is in the off position, so we do not have continuity. Once we turn it on, you will have continuity. If we did not get continuity at that point, then we would know that the infinite switch is not working.